Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Today I'm posting on my community section. I'm ask which artists have the better girl song them. Right? I'm not going to tell you no who I put on the list yet. But one person, I left off of the list. And some people are beating my feet. But I'm going to try to explain why I left him off of the list. Right? But before that now, people, I want to talk about the 5 music video them I see drop today. I just run down the list real quick and tell you the artists them. Most of them you probably see already. So Taurus Riley and Massacre drop a music video. TJ drop a music video. Javelani drop a music video. And Chanel Muir and Progress drop a music video. And also the artist Correx, right? Drop a music video. You must see them. You see me I say all of them art, them bad. If not, you go check out them. You see me I say at least one of them. Right? I'm glad to see that in 2021, you know what I mean, we can get 5 music video in a one day. Now, people, let's get back to the open discussion, may I call it. So, it's all opinions, people. If you feel like, say, a Vybz Kartel do the better girl song them, you see what I say? You can comment Vybz Kartel. Now, I put panelists, I say Vybz Kartel, I put Popcorn, I put Alkaline, I put TG, and I left off Dexter Daps. Because in my mind, I say, all right then, Dexter Daps sing a lot of girl song. That's basically all him sing, right? So, the other artists them sing other song. Girl song is just some of the song them where them sing. But Dexter really sing girl song. So when Dexter sing a gun song or a weed tune, that is like the flip side. From me mindset, right? That me I think. I say, all right then. So I go left off Dexter because, you know what I mean, everybody I go vote Dexter. I mean, I really want that. I want it to be a balance. And everybody comment and I said Dexter said we. Which nothing wrong with that, because like me say your opinion said we. But people couldn't understand why I left off Dexter. So if you did vote today, or you did see the poll or whatever, and now me explain why I left off Dexter. Me know some people still not go agree. But me want to tell me now, me ask the question, who have the better girl song them? You see what I say? Me never say the most, the better. So because it's unfair if you say the most, people think about it. TG boss way after Vybz Kartel, even after Popcorn and that. So Vybz Kartel I have more song than everybody else. You see what I say? And Alkaline have whole heap of girl song too. I see also see comments I say Alkaline and a girl song. But wanna tell me in the comment section what you think about that. Now the other thing what surprised me is the amount of man will respond to this. Because I think say the ladies them really are go respond to it. But I will heap a man respond to it. I defend them artists. And don't get me wrong. It's not like me I say something wrong with man responding to it. But the man them are defend anything and I say, yo, them man are sing girl tune them. Which kind of makes sense because you are going now. Remember say a girl tune them make we get girls in there. You see what I say? So one time the artists them sing girl tune and we see girl bubble up in a dance with just take with time and crawl up on them and you know what I mean? But that's too wild. We don't get what me I say. We don't know if that's so too rare, but you don't get what me I say, people, right? But I want to see the discussion in this comment section now. I extend it to everybody and I ask you know, who have the girls sang them? You see me? Now, people are mentioned like Fever is the biggest girl song of all time. Who else agree with that? Who disagree with that? Another thing me see people, me see some name come up where, yes, me I think say them should have the on the list too. Because somebody mentioned Conscience. Now Conscience is almost like Dexter Daps. But Dexter Daps, you know what I mean? Dexter Daps more cater to the female them and he more of a like some sexual song for the female them. You see me? Meanwhile, Conscience we have like, you know what I mean, y'all whining at the road. It's still kind of sexual, but it's different. You don't understand what I say. Dexter Daps thing a bedroom thing more like. That me want to say. You see me? But Conscience, I hype up a girl, man, I tell them, say, yeah, we don't go and broke out and we don't look good and this and that. If you don't get what I say, if it makes sense. You see me? I also see people mention Beanie Man. That's true, because Beanie Man are the girls, them sugar. But like me I say people, everybody could have the on the list. Me really get 5 slots for put 5 name and me always put 4 and leave 1 so it can be, you know what I mean, in the comment section. Others, and then you supposed to comment who you think or what you think, right? But, you know, people now go always satisfied with what them say, but now for work with me. And sometimes it no work out well if you put the obvious people in panic. Because what that means everybody just go vote. You never see me put up none with Shensia and see what happens. Every time I put up any poll with Shensia, Shenyang win hands down, because you know what I mean, I make a lot of video for Shensia, and the females them on the channel, them really love and respect Shensia, so them always vote for Shensia. And again, people, I'm not complaining, I'm not saying anything wrong with this. You saw me, I say to keep on doing what I do. I really respect and rate the participation them, you know what I mean. These polls surprise me more times. Some of them go up to, you know, 19,000. Then at Christmas time, some go up to like 52,000 and them vote there. So I say, so that's good. So I like how I deal with it. But people want to see what I go on. Because this discussion, you know what I mean, it really I go on really burning more than me think say it would. You know what I mean? Me think say we just put it up and then yeah, I eat that. But me decide say me go turn it into a video because me see the comments them and me see people not too satisfied. And me see a whole heap of like discussion in the comment section. People are discuss and are defend them artists at the same time and people are make some points. So I want to think me I extend this to the other platform them as well. You know what I mean? My Facebook people them and you know what I mean? Hopefully, when you work with me on that video, I want to reply and we'll see how it go in the comment section. I really should have go live, but what I time them, I probably go live and we discuss like some of the things them I put in the poll section. And people, if you never check out Dancehall IG community tab on YouTube, I tell you, I try my best. I kind of like something that I'm kind of proud of. So I do, you know what I mean? We get people to participate in these polls and we post pictures over there as well as other things from time to time. So if you dip on the channel and you never see in the community section, you know what I mean? Swing by and take a look over there. You might be entertained or maybe not. You see me, I say if it's not for you, it's not for you. But I recommend it. You know what I mean? Check it out and see what go on. Now, I just want to just big up everybody overall. So, I say thanks for all the, you know, like, comments, shares, and even the dislike too, because everything keep the channel in action and keep it moving. So, I say I can't really, like, feel no way if somebody dislikes something. If you don't like it, that's okay too. We'll do better the next time. So, I want to big up on yourself, people. That's the end of this video. Remember, I say get in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this topic right here. Open discussion. Leave your opinion down there. So, if it's your first time on the channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, big up on yourself. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody stay safe out there. I'm out.
Extra. It's the one not to miss, the one everyone's talking about. So make sure you get your tickets now for Alkaline Live.
Land, Tampa, Florida, February 20. I'm gonna be there.
Alkaline Live in concert, Saturday, February 20th, along with Insidious, Ayara, and many more. Saturday, February 20th at the SD Lawn, 5317 North Walkenburg Road, Tampa. Advance tickets at $50. Purchase your tickets now at Eventbrite.com. It's your last few days to get advance tickets and cabanas for Alkaline Live in concert.
After all.
Insidious, Ayara, and more artists. This event is officially sponsored by SecoClarkLawGroup.com. For more info, call 407-749-8064 or 407-803-1212. Saturday, February 20th. Don't miss Alkaline Live in concert.
Man, shall I be the goddamn boy? That's where everybody at the champion boy. We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.